Yeah, so I know you want a 2-inch or an 1 3/4 heel, so that will be here on the measurements. That's actually not going to be. So I checked the last. That's going to be real close there. And then I set this on your drawing. Make sure that the heel fits. And this one here you can see is way too long for the ball of the foot. These lines that I put on here were for the ball of the foot. So I've got another last here. We'll just check it real quick. I move it up about 1/8 of an inch in front of that heel mark there, because your heel drops off there. And then this one is going to be fairly close. I check for the ball of the foot here, and then I'll take it over to the grinder and we'll start grinding down. What I did here was I widened the last out here. I needed some more filler in it here, so I just glue leather on here and then grind it down to measurement, and then shape the toe. Shape the instep where I'd measured earlier on you. I've got my instep bone measured here, how it comes up across here so that it's not too high or too low here, putting pressure on your foot if it's too low. If it's too high, you'll have a whole bunch of leather up here that's flopping around on you, so it changes the whole fit of your boot. So she's fairly flat through the arch area, so I had to add extra leather onto here also.
Stitching, yeah, it's decorative and all, but the primary purpose really of the stitching is to allow it to have structural integrity on the boot. What is going to help the boot stay tall and not collapse is that the stitching, for instance, through here needs to be vertical. It needs to go up the boot, and that helps keep the throat of the boot from collapsing. A lot of boots you'll see are beautiful, yet their stitching becomes horizontal through here, which will cause a real wrinkling effect on the boot. So where we make a lot of tall top boots, it's super important that we stay devoted to making this happen. The more horizontal the stitching is, the stronger the boot will be in this area. Also, in designing whatever top pattern I'm going to do, I need to know what else is going on in the boot. Is there going to be any inlays, overlay collar, finger holes, or a pull, so that I can start and finish my pattern allowing for these. You really don't love seeing a beautiful boot and the next thing you know is then they've added the collar and it's covered stitching. Or another thing that's very important is you'll see a lot of vamps going on, which we draw out in our pattern as well, and they'll cover parts of the stitching as well, since this goes on after this is done. So there's so much involved in making the top pattern look clean, and that you can see it, and that it fits the boot and the shape of the person's leg, whether they are, maybe they're a wide calf and they don't want to accentuate that, or if they're super tall, you want to accentuate how tall they are. But it really is a specialized process and very, very important to the structure of the boot. It's not just for decoration. This from here up, decorative; from here down, very, very important and very supportive.